Open Snip and Sketch app. Enter window key plus Shift plus S. Or you can click here. Select area to capture. Here are multiple tools which can be used. Highlighter. Changing size of highlighter. Here is the ruler. You can also use protractor to make a circle. From here, you can crop. To zoom in or zoom out. You can save screenshot from here. To copy screenshot, click here or simply press Ctrl plus C. You can also press Ctrl plus V to paste. Now, let's try with simple way. Press window key plus Shift plus S. Let's take screenshot of some random area. Now, paste it using Ctrl plus V key. Here is another simple and easy way to take screenshot of full screen. Press PrtSc from keyboard. And now paste.